Hi there. Welcome to today's lecture on roadmap to becoming a bioinformatician. So in this lecture, we are going to explore the different bioinformatics pathway that are available and which one to choose from. For example, we have three careers pathways. For example, in academia, in industry, and in government. So let's explore them one by one. So in the industry pathway, what you have to do? Bioinformatics in industry work for biotech and pharmaceutical companies where they use their skills to develop new drugs and improve the healthcare outcomes. That results in solving the real world's problem, and a bachelor or master degree in this industry is related. If you have done a PhD, you can also apply for a advanced job. So let's move to the second, which is academic pathway. So the one of the pathways in bioinformatics is academic. Bioinformatician in academia often performs and works in universities and research institutions where they conduct research, teach students, and publish their findings. To pursue a career in academia, a PhD in bioinformatics or related field is typically required. For example, in academia, you will conduct research, you will teach the student, you will publish the research papers that you have done. If you are doing a degree in bioinformatics, you should be able to see your professors and they are doing this similar work. So you have to have a strong research skill and a PhD degree. So let's move to the government pathway. What does the government offer to bioinformaticians? Bioinformatics in government agencies work in the national institutes, for example, National Institute of Health, are the centers of disease control and preservation. Work on the public health initiative. For example, here we can see we work on public health initiative, and then we does a disease surveillance and a biosecurity job. A bachelor's or master degree is required, and if you want to excel in this field, you should have done a PhD. So what does this conclude? So there are diverse pathways that are available for the bioinformaticians, and you can choose anyone according to your own need. So bioinformatics offers a variety of pathways for those instructing in a career in this field. Whether you choose academia, industry, or government, there is no ample opportunity to make a meaningful impact, and there is a ample opportunities to make a meaningful impact in the world of bioinformatics. So currently, what I can tell you, I am interested in academic pathways. I am doing a lot of research and I am teaching a lot of students, and I am also publishing my findings. But choosing this field is my interest. You have to go your own way, you have to find your own way. If you're interested in solving the problems of the real world, you can choose the industry pathway. If you want to work for your government, want to control the diseases, you can also work in the government pathway. But if you have strong research skills like me, you can choose a academic pathway, and that will surely result to you a very good and handsome paying job as well. So thank you so much for this lecture. I will see you in the